Good afternoon friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aussie Kitchen. Today we will make a very simple recipe, quick and easy to make. So we have got some whole corn on the cob. So let's make some charred Mexican cheesy corn today. Get back to the kitchen and we'll rock in today. So we'll work on this whole corn on the cob. We'll take out the husk and then we'll going to tie it. So I'll show you how to tie it nicely so that you can char grill it over the gas stove. So do it like this. Take all the husk behind. Now take one of the piece out, or maybe two. Then we're going to wrap it and tie it like this. Okay, so by tying this, will not burn your hand, because after this we'll be putting it on the stove top. Okay, so it's done. So the ingredient that we need today is the whole corn on the cob, some cheese, red long chili, some smoked paprika, bit of coriander for the garnish, little bit of salt and a touch of olive oil. Char grill our corn on the gas stove. So light your gas on the high. You can keep this grill or you can put it directly on the gas stove, it's up to you. So I've got a grill, I'll use this. Put it on the gas stove, let it char from the gas flame. It will take little while, so don't rotate your corn very often. So let it gain a good char grill color on one side and then we'll rotate it. So you can see how easy it is to hold the corn. So you can hear that sizzle sound of crusting the corn over the char grill. So keep rotating it so that it does not burn. Also it should have a good color on all the sides. Wow, I love that voice. Isn't it looks tempting? So as you can see, our corn is already done. It has got good color all over. Let's chop some of our chili. So as we have already chopped our coriander and chili, so now it's the time to divide the corn into two. So be careful, hold up your knife nicely and then press it like this. Okay, so this will open up your corn. Take a clean tray which is oven proof. Also it's the time to start your oven, so put your oven at 200 degrees centigrade so that it's preheated. And now you can rub some chilies on the top. Some cheese. Pinch of salt. Little bit of smoked paprika for the extra heat. And it's ready to go in the oven. Before putting it inside the oven, we'll put a little bit of olive oil on the top for the extra flavor and shine. The reason that we splitted it into two, so that our cheese can sit on it, okay, and all the cooking process can be done in once. So let's put it inside the oven. So let's check our corn. 3 minutes is already done, so you can see this lovely color on the top of the corn. If you don't want this little bit burnt color on this, you can try it with the silver foil. Or now we are done with the cooking of corn, so it's the time for the garnish. So you can put your sharp grilled corn over the pan. I'm taken this grill because it's complementing the dish. Also, I need to put some coriander on the top, so that's the final touch. If you want to make it a bit more shiny, you can add a little bit more of olive oil on the top, so it will give shine to your dish. Yeah, if you want extra punch of chili, you can put some cracked pepper on the top. So here the Mexican corn is ready. You can do a small variation in this. If you want to add some lemon, you can add some lemon just to cut the chili. And here it's go. Enjoy your corn. Thank you much for enjoying today's recipe of sharp grilled corn. We'll see you with the next recipe. Till the time, take care and don't forget to share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.